This is for everybody that has a bog problem with the 450R. I think I've got mine solved. It still does it when you're sitting here with no torque or no pull in the engine, no whatever you want to call it. But anyways, here you go. Still does it when you're sitting here, but when you're running. Those are throttle stabs, and it isn't bogging at all. It's pulling the wheels off the ground straight up. But at idle, it stops. I think that's just the way these things are made. Under load, it's got plenty, and it does not bog. But every time you stab at idle, it's going to bog because it needs to have a load on it, I guess. But anyways, I got a 170 main jet in there, and I think I'm about 2.5 to 3 turns out on the air idle adjustment screw. The leak, whatever you call it, leak jet is stock, and air box has 2 holes drilled in it, which is like so, with the stock foam air filter, and it rips pretty good. Stock exhaust. I did pull out the center of the pipe right here, the spark arrestor. That's gone, but other than that, it's got that much more opening in there, and the spark arrestor is super restrictive.